How to fix if your apps are not downloading from Play Store. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you how you can actually fix if the applications are not downloading from your Play Store. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Sometimes what just happens is that, let's say you try to open up a particular software on your Play Store or something and that you want to download the apps, but it just doesn't let you download apps, which means that it is not downloading the apps at all. And in order to fix that, there are hopefully a couple of things which you can do. First of all, you have to understand and try to actually recognize why it is not downloading. For example, when you try to download an app, does it say storage full or anything? If that is the case, then first of all, you have to actually go ahead and then clear out your storage. So what you want to do is you just want to go ahead and then open up settings. Once you open up settings, you want to go to battery and device care or your storage options. In my case, it is under it, and I will go to the option called storage. So you can see the option which is storage right at the top, which is 66.3 gigabytes is actually available for me, so I will select it. And so in my case, it's not a storage issue, but in your case it could be that is one of those issues. If that doesn't help, then I would recommend you simply come back and go ahead and then try to open up the option called apps. So just go ahead and then select apps. Once you select apps, here you want to simply look for Google Play Store. So just go ahead and look for Google Play Store and select it. And you want to go to storage, you want to clear the cache, and you also want to clear the data. Keep in mind that when you clear the data for Google Play Store, you might need to actually relog into your account. So just go ahead and relog into your account if it asks you. So as you can see, it says server error and so on. But now you can see it has basically resetted our Google Play Store data and it will begin working again. Or else what you could also do is you could come back now, just go ahead and select the option called Google Play Services over here. So go to Google Play Services and then go to storage. Go ahead and clear cache. You can also clear data if you want. And if that doesn't fix, then tap on the three dots on the top right and select uninstall updates. And what this does is that it is going to actually restore the update of this particular app to the factory default version, which means to the one which they were previously uploaded. So it means that if it's not updating the app, then you just try to go ahead and uninstall those updates, and most likely that will fix the issue. Hopefully one of these would have helped solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.